623. So for CQB, meron siyang front or 4 inches na front assembly. Naka-suppressor with markings. And then meron na rin siyang front and rear sights, folding sights. Full metal pala siya guys ha. Receiver with markings din. So nakatakip lang. And then naka-easy grip. Polymer. And then naka-butterfly swivel. Naka-reinforced internal parts. Naka-ring stock version 1. Fully adjustable stock. So try natin guys. Ito may kasama tong LiPo battery at saka charger. And then magazine capacity is 300 rounds. May battery na? Wala pa. So battery compartment niya guys nandito. Ang kasya dito, Type-C type battery. Teka, hindi natin maano. Kailangan nating steady. Yan. Okay, game. Banat. Yan. 348.